If you're looking for a sign, this is it. Hey, I'm Dr. Susan Brown, and yesterday I announced the fact that we are having a retreat, a virtual retreat, Love Your Bones, Love Your Body retreat, Love Your Life retreat in early June. This is an opportunity that we are working on so that every single person can take charge of their bone health. So if you're one of those individuals that says, yeah, I have a bone health concern, but I really don't know what to do, or I'm not taking charge, step up to the bat, because this is a unique opportunity. We're going to provide you with everything you need, every understanding, and it's going to be a lot of fun because we're also going to have a lot of community building, a lot of question and answers, just like you were doing 8 private consultations with me. This is going to be June, the first weekend on June, and you're going to be hearing a lot from me about this because I am totally committed to having every interested person in the world know that they don't just have to be shunted into taking into bone drugs. They can learn how to take charge of their bone health. And remember, no one cares about your bone health as much as you do. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. Join us. June, the first weekend in June, you're going to learn everything you need to know to take charge of your bone health.